morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. And I'm just realizing that I've not changed out of my sleep pajamas into my day pajamas yet, so let me change this up. Ah, that's better. Does anyone else have that? Like, I have t-shirts that I sleep in every night, but I get changed in the morning into different comfy clothes, but I'm not sleeping in those comfy clothes. Anyone else? I was gonna say just pandemic things, but honestly, this has been my life for like almost a decade at this point, so. Please also just ignore this pile of clothes here. This is on the agenda to get taken care of today. Needs a quick little cleanup, I think. Anyway, good morning. I hope you enjoyed that little peaceful sort of ASMR-y intro that I tried to do. It has Connor's gentle typing in the background. I was like, ooh, this could be a vibe. I obviously have not seen it yet or edited it back or anything because I just did that 2 minutes ago, but I think it could be sort of fun and good and give you some little chills for your Friday. Chills and thrills. Jills and thrills. Ooh, chills and jills. ASMR channel. I'm kidding, that's not happening. It's actually Monday for me and I believe Friday for you, so happy Friday. I hope that your day is going 10 out of 10. I'm actually feeling pretty good this morning. I got quite a bit of sleep this weekend, although it was also really busy. I was sort of all over the place, but yesterday was pretty much pure relaxation. I had a little bit of a productive morning and then just laid around for the rest of the day, played a lot of Sims, so really can't complain about all of that. We did go to the farmer's market yesterday, which was really fun. I'm gonna have to vlog the next time that we go because we had never been to this one before. It just reopened. So very excited that that can be a part of our weekly routine again. We were just getting into that in downtown, so I'm excited for this. And I have to show you guys, Connor's on a call out there, so I can't right now, but we got the most beautiful flowers from the farmer's market there. I know I'm gonna be obsessed with going there and getting flowers like every single week. And today should be sort of a fairly average Monday. I don't think that I have too much on my plate, so I'm gonna actually try to work ahead a little bit. Want to get a workout in today, need to tidy up a little bit. I think I'm getting some packages delivered today that I'll haul for you guys, so that will be fun. Some like spring clothing stuff. I've been going a little crazy on the shopping. And then we'll see what else this day brings our way. But in the meantime, I'm going to hop into some work here. And suddenly it is almost 2 p.m. How did we get here? And it is lunchtime. I've just been pushing for as long as I could to like avoid lunch and keep going because I've been in a really good groove this morning. So I have quite a bit on my to-do list. I just went through and wrote down a bunch of stuff for this week actually. I know I just talked about this recently, but this is like a good example of how I do it, where there's a lot of stuff that sort of gets thrown at you on a Monday, a lot of different tasks, and having to prioritize them and just writing it down is helpful to me. So I've already like gone through to Thursday and put some tasks on that list there, but still quite a bit on today's to-do. So gotta make that happen. Let's go make lunch though. Connor and I are going to make some hoagies because we have some fresh baguettes. Coco?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Big hit by Black.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay, little turkey for my turkey. You want a little snack? Okay. There you go, good girl. I wanted to show you guys the cute flowers that we got too that I was telling you about earlier. We have some of them in this cute little, it's actually a picture from when my mom was growing up. It was her grams. But I just use this little vase because look at how happy this pig looks with flowers coming out of its head.
Right?
It's so freaking cute.
I think we gotta keep this tradition going.
I agree, I love it so much. And the flowers are so pretty, and then we have more over here. Missy. And here are the others. There's a couple more like colors in here because sort of the main bouquet, but I love how sort of like wild it feels. It's very like wildflower. And I think that they'll all open up pretty big like that. So they still have quite a bit of blooming to do, which is so fun. I'm gonna get some goldfish to go. Why not? I'm getting straight back into work here and just threw on an episode of Kardashians for in the background because why not? Also ignore the bottle of aloe vera out. I was just looking everywhere for my to-do list and then I noticed Molly Cat is sleeping on it. Molly, I need that notebook, baby. I'm sorry. Here comes Mom. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, little nugget. You got your paw on it too. Okay, here it goes. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not want to let it go. You gotta let go, Molly Cat. Look at her trying to grip it. I'm sorry, cutie. But I need that. Good girl. End of the day, and we're getting a little sweat in before the night commences here. I think I'm gonna FaceTime Tara once I'm finished with this workout, but promised myself that I would get it done. Connor followed through and he went on his run, so I gotta do it too. Don't even know what exactly I want to do though. We're gonna have to see. Gonna grab my water. Oh yeah. Thank you.
You want to fill this up?
That'll be okay.
You look cute.
Thanks.
I like your outfit. Alright.
These are the pants your mom bought me.
Oh, really? I like them. How cool.
I know, I agree. Workout complete. Tried to get a little clip of it, and then my camera battery died like as soon as it started, so I was just like, forget it, let me just get through this because I was on a bit of a time crunch anyway. And now, really quickly, I'm going to clean up these clothes here. Tara's calling me in 5, and we're going to just chit-chat FaceTime girls night. Well, I did not get a single vlog clip while I was on with Tara. That is my bad. Also, I'm cold now. I got really hot and changed this t-shirt, but now I am cold, so let me get changed. That is better. I also braided my hair while I was on with her just because I'm shooting tomorrow, and so I want my hair to be like really put together. And this is the best way to get like the best kind of curls for my hair right now with the straight pieces still. I don't even know what this vlog has been so far, but I'm gonna go check. I think Connor's working on dinner, so I better go help since I was just on FaceTime with Tara for 2 hours. Hello, my love. How is it going?
Okay.
Going okay?
Salmon is in the oven.
Yum.
Moving on to the veggies.
Love it. Connor's working away at dinner on there, and I'm just looking through mail. We got some more screeners here, which is always exciting. Ted Lasso. Do you know what this is? It's a comedy series, Ted Lasso. And then this movie looks pretty good. Minari. I haven't heard of it.
Minari.
And there's no description of what the movie is, but if I were to base it just off of the cover.
Judging by a book.
Yes.
A book by its cover.
I would say, judging by a book. No, judging a book by its cover. It's about an Asian immigrant family that moves to America. Because it's clearly like a little Asian family and there's big American flag in the back. So anyway, very timely and interesting. On to the best part, new clothes. I don't know if you guys saw this. I don't know how many of you follow me on my Instagram, but I did a thing on my story where I was just having a sort of bad day and I felt like shopping. So I had you guys help me pick out what to buy. And this is the order from that day, which I'm super excited about. There's more stuff coming because I ordered it like a couple days later, but I am pumped to see this. So this first thing is a sort of like cute, quirky little thing. These are from a brand called Lose, I believe. Lose, L-O-O-U-Z. They're these really freaking cute smiley face socks. Look at how adorable these are. They came in tons of colors. It was really hard for me to choose, but ultimately you guys picked this one, so I just listened to you guys. They're actually really nice. They're very thick and very comfy. Should we put them on? Oh yeah, that feels so good. So I thought these would be cute, obviously hanging around the house, just like a pair of comfy socks, but also with sneakers or something, just a little smiley face peeking out, a little bit of a higher sock. Just thought that was sort of fun and cute. Now this next package is from a boutique called These Days, and they had so much cute stuff, it was so hard for me to choose. Okay, first up, we have this really cute low corset top, long sleeve, but very lightweight, which is nice. I really like this little taupey color, and I feel like it sort of combines trends. It also has the little pulleys on the side with the strings, so I really like that. And the sleeves are like a little bubbly in a good way, like where it's a little tight around your wrist and then a little baggy. So cute. I hope this fits well. Next up from them, we got another little long sleeve here. Again, it's sort of a corset vibe, but simple, black, long sleeve crop top, very cute. And then very last thing, had to get onto this green trend that's happening right now. So I got this really cute little ruchy bodycon dress, very simple. And it also sort of like comes up a little bit on the sides, I think. Again, we're gonna have to see what happens when I actually try these things on, but I think this has a lot of potential to be really cute. And there you go, that is it. As I said, I placed another little order as well, but that is coming in a couple of days, so we will haul that when it arrives. I also did a little bit of shopping for Connor this weekend. We haven't purchased anything yet, but I have a lot of carts full. So maybe we'll do like a men's haul at some point as well with the stuff that I picked out for Con, which I'm very excited about.
Me too.
Okay, let's go get some dinner going.
Guys, I'm so upset. I made my bowl so pretty today.
It did look very pretty.
And I had every intention of taking a video of it, and I just didn't. I don't know what happened.
Not on your phone?
No. Nothing. So sad.
But how was the taste test review?
It tastes pretty freaking amazing, not gonna lie. Literally, there's so much avocado in this. It's so good. I am absolutely loving it.
Ready for bed.
Couldn't have said it better myself, babe. Okay, time for bed. It's been a lovely Monday. Honestly, not so bad, all things considered.
Got workouts in.
Totally. It was pretty good.
Not too bad.
Not too bad indeed. I have a pretty long and busy day tomorrow, so I need to hit the hang, get some sleep going so that I can make it through the day. Thank you guys for watching today though. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Said video too many times. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.